I just want to make one statement. I stand here not for this case. I may lose it, I may win it. That's another matter. But I stand here, Mullahs, for the protection of what is so close to our heart. Institutional integrity, and to ensure that constitutional processes survive. Otherwise, if your lordships endorse such a position, it will be the death knell of what we have cherished since 1950. Last two lines of that page, if your lordship has that.
Just what is this document that you pointed out?
It says, further, a meeting of the Pratidhi Sabha was convened on 18th of July. Your lordship has that sentence? Yes. Whereby the petitioner Eknath Shinde was appointed as senior leader and Shiv Sena Mukhya Neta, main leader. Minutes of the meeting of the Pratidhi Sabha. So they say minutes of the meeting are there. No meeting, no place, where it was held, when it was held, who was summoned, nothing. Right. Then come to the next para. A meeting of the Rashtriya Karyakarani was also convened, whereby the Rashtriya Karyakarani has affirmed, now please note this, has affirmed the election of the petitioner as the Shiv Sena senior leader and Shiv Sena Mukhya Neta. Now this is on 19th July, and the minutes of that are 27th July. I showed that to your lordship. This petition is filed on 19th July. He says that the petitioner was elected as the senior leader and senior Mukhya Neta. The minutes are dated 27 July. This is what they filed, Manas. So 19 July, they could not have known what would happen on 27 July. And that also minutes of meeting. These are the only two documents with the commission. That's why I read paragraph 15. These are the two documents with the commission. In respect of, to prove that there are two factions arising. And second document was submitted during the course of hearing, but be that, I don't want to go into that. I'm just only interpreting 15. This is the documents in their possession, information on the basis of which Election Commission is satisfied that there are two factions within the party. So minutes of meeting. Well,
where are the minutes of meeting here in this compilation page, PDF page?
Yes, we just shown that one here, and it's not there. That's why we.
It's not an annexure.
That's why I gave that to your lordship.
Mr. Sibbal, but that's not an annexure to the petition. Are we right?
It's not here, Malad. That's why I gave your lordship.
No.
Where are those minutes?
I'm just, let me hear, my lord.
What you have read of this para 26, para 25 refers to annexure P5, which is the minutes of the meeting of the.
We haven't put it, Malad. That's minutes.
We don't have. But the petition also does it and close it is what we are trying to understand.
Yes. That was handed over, Malad. It doesn't say. That's why we gave it to your lordship.
That is of the 27th.
Yes. So now it says 27th. This petition is filed on 29th. These are. They did enclose the second one. They didn't enclose. First one they enclosed. P5 they enclosed. So, Malad, these are the two documents with the commission. Now, if you read paragraph 15, this represents two factions in the party, the minutes of meeting. That's how the Election Commission, Malad, got jurisdiction, according to them. And Malad, this is a final order. This is kindly just look at it. I can understand if the commission says lead evidence. I can understand, please prove your case. On this basis, a final order is passed, which is the subject matter of challenge in the other proceeding. That's how they got the symbol. So what does the governor do? What does the Election Commission do? And this is the evidence. And then we have to, we must ensure, we must trust that all institutional authorities function in accordance with the law. And if this kind of manipulation takes place, Malad, in the processes of institutional decision making, where we go, Malad, where we will go, I don't know. I just want to make one statement. I stand here not for this case. I may lose it, I may win it. That's another matter. But I stand here, Mullards, for the protection of what is so close to our heart. Institutional integrity, and to ensure that constitutional processes survive. Otherwise, if your lordships endorse such a position, it will be the death knell of what we have cherished since 1950. Thank you.
Thank you.
देश विदेशातील प्रत्येक घडामोडींचे लाईव्ह अपडेट मिळवण्यासाठी आता साम टीव्हीच्या सर्व सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्मला लाईक, फॉलो आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तसंच सर्व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.